A lot of bird song this morning. They like it.
Yeah?
There's a bird up on the chimney. I can't tell who it is. I think it's a cardinal. We're there. He came home from Arizona last night. He said we should have stayed another week.
I've been sending my cousin Pussy